Today we're going to be unboxing this painted inner fairing right here. The inner fairing came from HogWorkz, who also makes the LED headlights and everything, and they make other products that people might not know. But it took them about a little bit less than 4 weeks to get to me, and this was going on during the kind of like the start of the year, so the pandemic was still kind of going a little bit worse than it is. And then I'm waiting on handlebars still, so that's why I don't have it on, but I'm going to unbox it today, and we'll check it out, see how it looks. Okay, and here is the stock inner fairing as of right now. It's the flat black, and after a few years and weather and everything, after a while it gets looking pretty ugly. So we'll throw this painted one on. Once again, I got it from HogWorkz. Okay, here we go. Got some really bright packaging material. Looks like it comes with the part that's around the ignition switch and your accessory buttons. It's painted. Looks good. It's got your little door where you plug your phone into compartment. And here we go. Here it is. Looks like it's painted pretty good. Here we go. Okay, I'll do another video after we get it on the street glide. Like I said, I'm waiting on some handlebars still. It'll probably be after Sturgis before I get them on, and we'll show you what it looks like after it's installed in another video. So thanks for watching. If you like, hit the like button, subscribe if you'd like, and have a good day. Keep on riding.